For this episode, I decided I want to show an example of actually good writing to contrast the mediocre stuff we've seen so far. What you see here are the opening lines of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. These books are fucking good, and you should read them. So why is this opening so great? First of all, momentum. These lines go from big to small, from the galaxy to one arm of the galaxy, to the sun, to the earth, and finally to us, the primitive ape-descended lifeforms and our watches. The effect is cinematic. We're zooming in on the setting at a breakneck pace, like we're watching a documentary with an editor on crack. And the whole book sounds like it's on crack, so Douglas Adams has set the tone nicely. Second, bias. These two sentences are littered with phrases with implied bias. Backwaters, unfashionable, unregarded, utterly insignificant, and primitive. The entire series is about depicting humans as unsophisticated, ignorant, and overlooked, which is fair, and this opening establishes that tone immediately. Now let's talk style. These two sentences are very long and have no punctuation, meaning that they read fucking fast. The effect is as if you're being hurled headlong into the story, which fits the content perfectly. If you read these books, you know that Arthur Dent gets chucked into space with no time to prepare. These lines are overwhelming, and that's what Mr. Adams wants. Everything about his writing, from the premise to his style, is meant to be both overwhelming and utterly hilarious. Most writers, including me, would lose control of a style that's chaotic, and it would dissolve into slurry within a few paragraphs. But Adams is unique in his ability to control all this momentum, and reading his prose is like riding a roller coaster. It's masterful, and you should check it out. If you are not Douglas Adams, you should not try to write like this right away. Start with simpler prose, then build up to this style as you feel more comfortable. If you are Douglas Adams, congratulations on returning from the dead, and I hope you can write a better conclusion to the trilogy than Evan Colfer did. That's all for today. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and always remember, bad writing is better than no writing. Have a great day.